It's a beautiful day here in Lee Summit, and I have a beautiful new listing. Would you be mine? Could you be mine? It has a grand entrance and hardwood floors, and the kitchen is open to the living. Would you be mine? Could you be mine? I have always wanted to sell a house to someone just like you, and you've always wanted to live in a neighborhood like this one. So let me help you make an offer today. I have all the paperwork. So what do you say? Will you call me? Will you text me? Will you buy this home? Won't you please? Won't you please? Please, won't you buy this home?
Hi, future home buyer friends. Thank you for joining me today. Did you see these special socks? My friend Mike sent those all the way from Atlanta, Georgia. Isn't that swell? Well, who could it be? Let's go find out. Well, if it isn't my favorite mailman, Mr. McBickles. I wonder what he wants today. Well, hello there, Mr. Rains. I'm afraid to tell you I'm delivering some more complaints on one of your agents today for a certain video of his. I saw that video. And let me tell you, I was very disappointed. Well, golly, what am I ever going to do with him, Mr. McBickles? Hey, I tell you what, I was just getting ready to show all of our future homebuyer friends this home. Would you like to stay and view it too? You know what, Mr. Rains? That would be swell. Check out this brand new kitchen. We have hardwood floors, granite countertops, painted cabinets, and glass subway backsplash. And this master bathroom was just redone last year. It's my favorite part of the house. Just look at this finished basement. The possibilities down here are endless. Upstairs we have 4 bedrooms and a loft space that you can do anything you want with. And look at this backyard. It backs up to state green space with a small island and Little Blue River running right through it. You'll never have anyone behind you. This home is in the award-winning Blue Springs School District, even though it has a Lee Summit address.
Mr. Rains, that is a very nice home, and I'm just positive it will make someone very happy.
Well, thank you, Mr. McBickles. I agree. Well, friends, that's all the time we have for today. If you would like to see this beautiful home in person, you can call me at 816-305-7138. Until next time, have a fantastic day.